What if you knew more? More about your customers. What if you could learn from your social feeds, websites, accounting systems, and other sources of data? What if you could forecast consumption, reduce operational costs, or even predict the success of a product? What kind of training would you need before you could build and use a technology like this? Specialized training helped Amazon's own engineers and data scientists innovate with Amazon.com and Alexa. Now this training is available to you to help you innovate for your future with machine learning. Introducing AWS Training and Certification for Machine Learning. For the first time, we are providing hands-on labs based on real-world Amazon use cases, like building a model to predict film award nominations, creating smart AI assistants, and using image classification to optimize delivery routes. We've designed entire learning paths for business decision makers, developers, data engineers, and data scientists. So we've got you covered whether you're curious about the fundamentals of data science or you're ready to build your own machine learning models. And when you're ready, check out the new AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty Exam to validate your skills and experience. Thanks for watching.